Oil-free scroll compressor market report. Oil-free scroll compressor market size is $1,365.2 million in 2024 and will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $546.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe held the market of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $409.56 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific held the market of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $314.00 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America market of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $26 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa held the major market of around 2% of the global revenue with a market size of $27.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.